Welcome to Google Smarter Not Harder. This is the introduction to a series of YouTube playlist videos on how to Google Smarter Not Harder. As an introduction, this video is about a learning management system or LMS that can be created with Google Sheets and Google Drive. In a learning management system or LMS, you build your own customized learning management system to create, manage, organize, and deliver online materials in a single document or single spreadsheet workbook. You can simplify learning in your organization to keep you and your participants up to date. You can also use Sheets and the Google Drive organization to manage each stage of the program, from enrollment to individualized learning documents, time logs, and to certifications. You can also collect and access all data within your program to analyze your program's effectiveness in real time. In a learning management system, there's two interfaces, an admin interface and a user interface. The admin interface is where a coordinator can create, manage, organize all the induction materials in order to extract insightful reports and data in real time. The interface usually consists of settings and features that are fully customized, the learning environment. The user interface is where a participant sees and experiences what an admin created. Participants can access and participate in the created program materials from their personal computers or in their web browsers. So how the admin interface system is set up, it comes from your brain and to a master user sheet. You'll see in this demonstration two master user sheets. One is a coach application, the other is a candidate individualized induction program document. Now, you have your users, you have either candidates or coaches, and each of them will need a copy of your master sheet. Once you create a copy for each of them, and of course you see that little lock icon, which means you've locked or protected the sheet so that they're only able to interface with the cells or sections of the sheet that you want them to. The rest is protected and maintained for format and organization. Once you each have created a copy for each of your users, you then will share that out via Gmail or the share function within the sheet. They then will be instructed to not make a copy of the Google Sheet, but to save it to their drive. Just save that same copy to their drive so that a connection will always be maintained between you and the user. That then creates the user interface. As we said, it's one single document for the entire learning environment. And that one single document is then also the information of that document is brought into a single, what we call admin sheet, which accesses the information in real time. And we'll show you a demo of that. Like I said, the two master sheets that we have is one is a coach's application and training documents, and the other is a candidate IIP or individualized learning plan. You will organize the folder in this way, having the master sheet at the top, and then each of your coaches will receive their own copy of that master sheet. That is the same for candidates. As you enroll candidates, you'll make a copy for each of the candidates in the candidates folder. Then, of course, this is the ultimate goal, which is all the information of each of those copies would be in real time collected in a single, what we call system setup or admin interface document. As you can see here, these are all the coaches, and all of the data from their individual documents is being imported through the sheet's function of import range so that all data can be found or accessed in real time. The best part about this is that once it's set up, it functions throughout the year and month to month, week to week. So really, the first step in all of this is to create the documents into spreadsheets, create that learning environment for the LMS, right, the learning management system, and creating the documents that you usually have in PDF or Word format and put them into sheet format, and then put all those in one single document of a Google Sheet workbook. This is kind of wrapping up the introduction, but just wanted to show you the table of contents in which we will have each of these topics. They have their own individual video. As you can see here, we've got 10 different topics and an additional 11 more on how to set up this learning management system. Look for those in the Google Smarter Not Harder _YouTube bit.ly that we have here that will take you to the YouTube playlist with all of these helpful video tutorials. Thanks for joining us.